Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to interpret a circle graph. So if we have a problem like this that says, the graph below shows the types of pets Sienna's coworkers have. If the total number of pets is 30, how many more dogs than cats did the coworkers have? And we could see this graph, it's the types of pets, and 1/5 had birds, 2/5 had dogs, 3/10 had cats, and 1/10 had no pets at all. Okay, so the first thing to do is find the fraction of coworkers that have dogs. And we know that 2/5 of them had dogs, so we have to find 2/5 of 30 because the total number of pets is 30. So remember, of means multiply. So we multiply 2 times 30 and then divide by 5. So that's 2 times 30 and then divide by 5. So it'll look like this. So it's 12. 12 of people had dogs. Now, to find the fraction of coworkers that have cats, you do something similar. 3/10 had cats. So find 3/10 of 30. So now we multiply 3 times 30 and then divide by 10. So that's what we're doing. So now to find how many dogs, find how many dogs than cats. How many more dogs than cats? So you subtract 12 minus 6, which equals 6. So the final answer is the coworkers had 6 more dogs than cats. And that's it. That's how you interpret that type of graph. And don't worry if you don't understand that right away. You could just rewatch the video. As well, take a look at the description. You could download my ebook. And in the ebook, you'll find a link to this very video, and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, in the description, I have links to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar. You could check those out if you need extra help. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.